Hey Internet, so crypto has been my thing for about 8 years now, give or take a few months, and during that whole time I've tested out maybe 20-something different exchanges, platforms, all kinds of services. And the single most annoying part of this entire ecosystem is exchanging and getting money out, like actually converting crypto back to dollars or euros or whatever currency you need to use in everyday life. The problem is, okay, there's just an insane amount of fake platforms out there, like genuinely crazy amounts. And I know this because I've personally lost money to these things, had transactions disappear, dealt with fake customer service that just stops responding after a while. So yeah, I'm pretty cautious now about where my funds actually go. For the past 16, 17 months though, I've been using this one app consistently and it's been working perfectly, zero issues. So let me just demonstrate how the whole thing actually functions. Okay, so for educational purposes, let's do 300 USDT converting to Bitcoin. So first step, selecting the token pair. USDT on the sending side, there it is, BTC on the receiving end. Tap that and the exchange rate pops up. Actually pretty solid. I compared this with a few other platforms earlier today and this rate's competitive. So next thing, add my destination wallet address. And look, pay close attention here because mess this up and those coins are permanently gone. Nobody can fix that mistake. So switching to my wallet app, grabbing the address, pasting it in, perfect, matches. Okay, now the terms screen, scrolling through, full verification, rates accurate, wallet address matches, looks good. Clicking confirm and create order, and done. Order's live in the system. So now I gotta send the tokens to this address, so one sec. Good, switching back to the app, clicking I've sent the payment button here. Done. Now we're just in processing mode. Usually wraps up in about a few minutes or so, sometimes faster. I'm gonna speed this part up for you. And done. Exchange complete. Now I just gotta wait for the tokens to hit my wallet balance. Okay, so while this goes through, here's what I've learned from getting scammed multiple times. The biggest red flag is when a platform sets withdrawal minimums that keep changing. I used one exchange maybe 4 years back where the minimum withdrawal was like $200 when I signed up. Then when I tried to actually withdraw, suddenly the minimum was $500. Then it became $1,000. Classic scam tactic to trap your funds until you deposit more. This app has had the same withdrawal minimum since I started using it. No games, no moving goalposts. And here's the sneakiest scam I personally fell for. The platform asked for basic verification at first, seemed normal. Then when I tried to withdraw $1,800 worth of crypto, they suddenly needed additional verification, then more documents, then a video call. It never ended. Just kept adding requirements until I gave up. This was their strategy to keep the money. This app, okay, verified me once at the beginning. That was it. No surprise verification requests when you're trying to cash out. The worst part about scam exchanges is they'll sometimes ask you to deposit more crypto to cover withdrawal fees or to unlock your account. That's always a scam, always. If a platform ever asks you to send more money to access your existing money, it's over. That money's gone. I learned this the expensive way. So basic advice, keep your amounts reasonable until you've tested everything multiple times. I've done probably 15 or 18 withdrawals at this point, different amounts, different times a day, all worked the same. That consistency is what matters. Links in the description and comments below. Be smart, test carefully, don't trust anyone, including me, without doing your own verification. Peace.